I was just recording and nothing got recorded. Y'all know that TikTok, they be like, hey. But yes, y'all, it's me. My name is Tiara, T, House Word, T, Roy, T94, whichever one you want to call me. It's me. I am here. I have some orders that I need to do. I have a cruise. A lot of, you know, it's hot. Like, cruises is hot right now. I don't know why. And it's cold. Well, Florida is cold. I don't know about anywhere else. But, yeah, everybody going on a cruise. So, if y'all looking for, you know, shirts to make right now, cruise is it. Oh, and another one, family reunions. People are hitting me up, you know, now is the time to start preparing for family reunions, and people, they are definitely, you know, getting that stuff started now. So if you got a t-shirt business, make sure that you are putting out cruise information. Y'all know spring break is coming up, and then you got family reunions in the summer, and yeah, so graduation season, that's big. We're going to make sure that we tackle that coming soon. I can't wait for that to start back. So I really start preparing for graduation in January, but that's for another video. So like I said, right now I just got a few shirts that I have to do for a cruise. I think they leave tomorrow. She said that she needed her shirts for tomorrow, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and talk to y'all soon. Just watch, okay? This is my little setup that I have. This board is a, ooh, what is this? Wall panel. And then this is the back of a shirt that I already pressed. So I'm just making center print or basic t-shirts today. Nothing major. Nothing major. So we're gonna go ahead and, so I have, why is making a noise? So I have 2X shirts that need to be done. So the brand that I use is called Sport Tech, and the men's shirts, they run big. So for my extra large shirts, like this shirt is for a 2X, so I give them an extra large shirt because they run that big. So we're going to take our ruler. We're going to take our ruler, and I need to measure, you know, how big I want it to be. My heat press is 15 inches wide, so I'm not trying to do no extra work. So we are going to do 13 by, put the 4 fingers down, and I'm going to do, I want it to be big, so I'm gonna do 13 by 15 for this. So I have the Epson F270, I think that's the number. I don't know, I'll leave it in the description below so y'all can see which one I have. It's like a regular printer that I can, when I'm finished with it, I can use for like regular printing, or also do like banners. But yeah, so this printer right here, it be tripping. It really do. Like the colors, they don't be like coming out right, but for the most part it's cool. So it's been, I'm not gonna say it's terrible because it's been holding me down for a few years, and I'm so grateful for it. I've been saying that I want the regular sublimation printer, but this is doing just fine. So I'm sticking with it. I'm sticking beside it. Y'all, the ambulance is outside, and I don't even know if it's on that. Alright, so this is our design. So we're just gonna cut this in half. Put that to the side. I knew that's what that spray was. That's honestly not that necessary. Alright, so now we're gonna put this on here like this. Really, I need to see like what the center of the shirt is. Alright. So this is parchment paper so that our ink don't get to the top of our design. Yeah, so the parchment paper is so that the ink don't transfer, because I press, you know, my all over shirts with the same heat press, and sometimes the ink get to the top of the heat press, so it's really to protect the shirt. After like one or two presses on like a design like this, I don't really have to use the parchment paper. It doesn't even have to stay the whole time. Y'all know a lot of people, they be like, oh, use you have to be on for 60 seconds. So a lot of people, they teach that you have to press for 60 seconds, but honestly you don't. I've used several type of papers, and 50 seconds is fine. It really just depends on the shirt, and it also depends on the material, and it also depends on the paper. So just keep that in mind. So this paper is already tacky, and as you can see, this is what we looking like. That's perfect. So I'm ready for the next one. 30 minutes. So I'm repressing this because like it's a little bit white, and sometimes it'll do that like on like your first few presses. I probably need to go in and just tighten it. Yeah, so we're gonna hope that that don't come out like cricket. I hope so. Alright, and that's how our shirt look. So nice. We're gonna do our next one. I don't think I bought no extra large, because I thought that I had extra. So typically with my orders, I order my shirts and stuff as people order. You know, I really have gotten out of having extra shirts on hand unless I know like it's a big funeral or something going on. Oh, I did order. Okay, thank you, Jesus. Put this down again like this. But you need to go potty? Okay, I'm taking this off. I just made this shirt for no reason. Alright, so we just gonna do the same exact thing. Put this down. We're gonna do 11 by 14. I'm gonna bring y'all over here so y'all can see. Hey y'all, so here I am just going in and resizing my design to fit the large ladies. I gotta start getting used to, you know, telling y'all what it is that I'm doing, because sometimes I just be thinking that y'all know, you know, what I'm doing, but y'all don't. So yes, I just decided to show y'all. So this paper that I have, y'all, is 24 inches wide. So I just made these 11 by 14, so I'm able to put it going down this way. And I need a total of, I think, 3 shirts. Yeah, I need 3 medium men. Medium men. Alright, so I'm about to go ahead and finish making these. I'm like, which one did I do for this? Look at how small that is. So thankfully I can probably use it. So this is where the highs and the lows come in when it comes down to shirts. Wasting paper. But it's okay. Dang. All right, so I just wanted to show y'all this. I'm gonna see if it's gonna zoom in so y'all can see. It wanna zoom in and everything else. But y'all look. Y'all see that? The ink then got around on the back. But I know where that come from. It come from this paper. So now I gotta redo it.